Okay, what we're doing today, we're gonna show you an update on what I've been doing. Since with these two bars here, I've been recording each day for the past, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, roughly 2 weeks, okay? 13 days, 14 days, all the weight that has, the water has evaporated out. So today, probably the last day I'm gonna do it. Let's see the check, okay? Okay, let's start with a small bar first. We start out with 109, okay? Now it's like 101. Today is the 24th, 101 gram. Okay, this one, 126. Okay, now when I first started, this bar here, 109, including the rubber band. Okay, I'll put it on there just in case you guys wanted to check. Okay, I put the rubber band on as well. Okay, and 109. After 2 weeks, 101. So it's lost 8 grams. Okay, let me do the quick math. Later on, I'll do a quick math here for you guys. How much is lost? What is the percentage? Okay, it has stable. Okay, after 10 days, it did not lose any more water, any more evaporation out. So right now it's hardish. Okay, it's very hard. So right now I reckon I can use this safely. Yeah? Curing time is done. Okay. So with the amount of water that I use in this recipe, I reckon 2 weeks is perfect. Okay, and it should be safe for use. Like other recipe that I have, like Castile soap, for example, that normally will take 1 year, right? No, you don't have to. 2 weeks. Okay, if you use a low water in your recipe. I have the record here. Okay, I will take a photo of this and show you guys as well. So I'm not bullshitting. Okay, so I record every day past 2 weeks. So you know, yeah, I'm not bullshitting. Okay, so this is a great experiment you can do yourself. Okay, low tech, really low tech. Okay, so basically it loses around like 8 grams. Okay, in that 2 weeks period with the recipe that I use. Okay, but you can do for your own recipe at home. Basically, measure the date, the sample, and just weigh it up every day, and you can check for yourself. Okay, how long it will take to kill. If you use an average water in your ingredient, or use a high water in your ingredient, it will take longer. My name is Chow. Hope this video is useful for you. It's about soap curing. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.